I didn't have the bomb, so that's why I didn't plant. How the fuck should I know?
It's just a coincidence that we have the same name.
Kæft,
That's,
hvor er det
that's
sjovt.
that's a rude Russian. Very racist Russian.
Half Russian, half German.
You ask him, you idiot.
Why you don't tell me why you do?
German accent? What the fuck, man? Are you high? I'm not German. I would rather kill myself than be German. But I guess it's a close guess. I don't sound like a German, no. I do not. No, I don't. No. But you sound like a Russian, though, so... Men det er det, jeg siger. Du lyder som en russer.
But you sound like German. Dutch accent.
No, I don't. But you have a Russian accent.
Take flashes all over the place.
I can leave it up. What up with mine?
Hvad gjorde du?
Jeg rushed man på 90 skød bare efter. Jeg ramte ikke.